You want to hang out with my cat? Want to hang out with my beautiful British Shorthair cat? Alrighty. This is what he does in the beginning of the day. He comes out to the garden after he's eaten his food. He hangs around out here and explores. He really, really enjoys the garden. He really enjoys it. He enjoys hunting butterflies, but at this time of the year there's not many butterflies in the United Kingdom, so he does other things. He likes watching other cats, birds. He's a happy boy though. He's a really happy boy. One thing I really love about British Shorthair cats is that their fur is so soft. Their fur is extremely soft. And they're very, very hygienic as well. They clean themselves extremely often. Isn't that right, Mochi? You a hygienic guy? You a hygienic guy, Mochi? Oh, like and subscribe for more Mochi.